Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. It's your girl Tynafey. I'm a YouTuber based in Belgium. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair, what product I used, cut up my hair. It was, as you can see from my previous hair video, it was really damaged. So I've been trying not so much products, but I've just been trying products that is good enough for my hair just to maintain it. And I can say that the hair is actually growing. It's really growing. For 3 months it's really growing, because my hair, if you see how I cut my hair, it was like completely gone. Not like there was a strand of hair. It was, I shaved it bald. I'll show you guys on how I coil my hair to make it look slick, especially when you want to go out or you want to go to work with it. And let's get right into this video. So my hair, as you can see, it is dry because I washed it this today, so I didn't curl it. So I just wanted to like show you guys a video on how I curl my hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray a water bottle. It's just the water that is inside, so I'm just going to like spray it on my hair. So it's just to like keep the hair a bit damp in case I apply the products. So what I'm just doing, just water. I'm just going to put a leave-in conditioner because I don't have a bottle of leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner I use for my Mega Growth brand. Bit of it. Use this leave-in conditioner just to make my hair a bit soft. Next thing I'm going to do is going to apply this Garnier Fruit Nourishing Banana Hair Food. For a long time, the smell is amazing. Apply it on my hair. However, sometimes whenever I apply water on my hair, it just curls. I don't know why, but I don't know, I just think it's my hair texture of my hair, I guess so. The next product I'm going to be using, Cantu. I started buying Cantu product because I wanted to go natural, but I don't know if it is perfect yet, but I'm just still like getting to know how good it is on my texture of hair. It's just a brand that a lot of people have talked much about, so I just want to, you guys can also give a verdict how my hair is going to curl after this. Okay, just taking my hair on a circular motion, just rubbing it on a circular motion. I feel like the hair coils are the coils are actually defined, but it's not defined enough for me. Like, you don't see underneath my hair. That's what I meant. So you know what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use a sponge to just make sure that it's well defined. So I'm going to be using this sponge. I got it from a local store close to where I live. So I'm just going to like use it to like define the curls, to make sure like it's really curly. It's gonna take like a hand workers, but let's go. Ooh, ooh, wow, wow. This is what I'm talking about. Where I have my hair, just to I'm impressed. While I wait for it to dry, I wanted to like use an edge control to define my edges, but I think I'm going to use this motion styling foam. just going to like do my makeup and allow this hair to dry.